Hi, Chunks. Hi, Oscar. Hi, Mimi. What is it, little man? You're so cute. So cute. You're cute, cute, cute. Izzy. What in the world are you doing, silly? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so cute, you know that? Good. Good boy, Oscar. It's been bothering you. Finn, stop trying to bite her tail. She doesn't want to be pulled around. No, she don't. Leave her alone. Leave her be. Mr. Riley, Mr. Riley, he's a handsome boy. Oh my God, you're handsome. You're handsome. Layla, what are you doing, Miss Pretty? Oscar! You're adorable. Maybe. Hi. Hi. Well, you're not. Over. Hi, over. Careful, honey. Izzy, Wizzy. Finn. I don't think she's interested in playing with you right now. Huh? Do you not want to play with little Finn? How come? You love playing with him usually. He's a good boy. Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh, little Finn. You got sharp little toenails. Away. Hey, you. You're too cute. Yes, you are. You're too cute. Mr. Handsome Brutus. Brave Brutus, is that what your dad called you? Brave Brutus? Yeah? Brave Brutus? You're so cute. Brutus is a good boy. It sure is. Can go down the slide?